Hello students, standard 7th, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. In this chapter, we learn about the comparison using the percentage. And we are on the exercise 8.2. in which the question number 1 to 4 are finished. So let's start with the question number 5. It says find the whole quantity. Find the whole quantity. If. So now different situations are given. First, 5% of it is 600. So if 5% of particular quantity is 600, we have to find the which is the whole quantity. So let X be the whole quantity. Here we don't have to find 5% of 600. Here that is the main thing. If you don't read the question properly, what will you do? You will only read 5% 600. Then you will do 5% of 600, 5 upon 100 into 600. Then you will write down. Then that is the wrong answer. Because here 5% of particular amount is 600. So 600 is already the given answer. You have to find the original quantity. So here 5% of X is already given 600. So don't count 5% of 600. Read the question properly. So 5 upon 100 multiplied by X is equal to 600, and you know that how to find the value here. X is equal to 600 multiplied by 100 upon 5. Now cancellation, 25 is 100. So X is equal to 6 to the 12. So answer is 12,000. So your answer will be like that, 12,000. B. In B, it is 12% of it is rupees 1080. 12% of it is rupees 1080. So let the whole amount or the whole quantity is rupees X. So 12% of X is equal to 1080. So 12 upon 100 multiplied by X is equal to 1080. So X is equal to 1080 multiplied by 100 upon 12. Now if you do the tables, 12 9s are 108. So here you will put 90. So that is equal to rupees how much? 90 multiplied by 100. So rupees 9,000. So the 12% of 9,000 will be 1,080 rupees. Let's do the next one. C. 40% of it is 500 kilometers. 500 kilometer. So here also let x be the whole quantity. So 40% of x kilometer is equal to 500 kilometer. So 40 upon 100 into x is equal to 500. You can do the cancellation here. So x is equal to 500 multiplied by 10 upon 4. 2 to the 5 to the 250. So it is equal to 25 5 the 125 and a 0. That is 1250 kilometer. So 40% of 1250 kilometer is 500 kilometer. D is a 70% of it is 14 minutes. So let whole quantity be x minutes. So 70% of x is 14 minutes. Therefore 70 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 into 10 upon 7, 7 to the 14. So that is equal to 10 to the 20 minutes. The last E, you can do yourself. It is same like this. 8% of is 40 liters. So whenever, as I told you, that whole quantity we have to find. It means that 5% of is given already. Then you have to do like that and then find the value of x to get the answers. Now, sixth question. Convert given percentage to decimal and also to fraction in simplest form. So here's different percentages are given. From that we have to convert it into decimal also, and then to the fraction in its simplest form also. First one is 25%. So now 25% is 25 upon 100. And we know that when there are two zeros here, we have two decimals. So 25, 1, 2 and then decimal. So it is 0.25. But now, so that is the decimal form. Now we have to carry on that one to convert it into the simplest form also. So we know that 25 is 25 ones are 100 is 25 fours are 100. So when we do the cancellation, so 1 upon 4 is the simplest form. Next is 150 percentage. So here also we have to do the both things. Is equal to 150 upon 100, and then 1 zeros are cancelled. So 15 upon 10, that is 1.5. That is the decimal form. Now you have to carry on. 15 is 3 5s are 15. 10 is 2 5s are 10. So 3 upon 2 you get. That is the simplest form. C. C is 20%. So 20% is 20 upon 100. So you get cancellation, so 0.2, which is our decimal form. And is equal to 2 1s are and 2 5s are 10. And then you get 1 upon 5. That is the simplest form. Now the D. In D, it is 5%. 5% is 5 upon 100. So you have two decimals here, but we have only one, so 0. So 0.05. That is our decimal form. So now 5 1s are 5, 25s are 100. So the 1 upon 20, that is the simplest form. So if you have to convert that percentage into decimal form, first you write down percentage means 100. Then if any zeros are cancelled, otherwise you can directly write down 0.25 and so on, and then simplest form also by cancelling the same factors and convert it into the simplest form. Now question number 7, it is a word problem. In a city, %30 are females, 40% are males, and remaining are children. What % are children? Are children. Now, when we learn about the percentage, we won't learn thing that the percent of part of the whole when we add, it must be 100%. For example, if you talk about the beginning in the fractions also, fractions means part of a whole. So when we add each part of the whole, then the answer will be 1. So similarly, when the percentage of the all part of the whole are added, it must be 100%. So here percentage of males and females are given. Others remaining are the children. So we have to find the percent of children such that the total amount will be 100, because that will be 100%. It means that from the 100 we have to subtract the total percentage of male and female. So here percent of children is equal to 100 minus sum of percent of males and females. That is equal to 100 minus, you can write down 100 percentage minus. So 100 minus into bracket 30 plus 40. That is 100 minus 30 plus 40 is 70. So 100 minus 70 is how much? 30. Therefore, there are 30% children in that city. So when 100% is there, then only the answer can be right. So we have to do like that. We have to find the percentage. How? From the total 100%. The remaining are the males and females. We have to subtract so that we can find the amount of the remaining, means the children's percentage. Now question number 8. Out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Who did not vote. So now we have to find out also the percentage. Now, so percentage of voters who did not vote is equal to 100 minus 60%, that is 40%. But here the question I didn't complete. We have to find that how many actually did not vote. So 40% did not vote. Therefore, number of persons did not vote is 40% of 15,000. That is 40 upon 100 into 15,000. So zeros are cancelled. 15 fours are 60 and 2 zeros. So 6,000 persons did not vote. So by this way you can find the percentage, and if the total amount is given from the percent, we can find out the real amount of also. Here the last two questions is for homework. Question number 8 and 9. I leave it for you for homework. So here we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.